All right, we're doing summer jobs. Scotty and I, we need summer jobs, and so I'm here at a bakery with Trish and Tate here, but it's not your typical bakery, although everything does look really delicious. Look at these like little cookie trees and s'mores, but they're actually called wolf pies and wolfie pies and what other kind of names?
And cupcakes and snickerpoodles and beagle bagels.
And why they have those such clever, cute names is because I'm actually at a dog bakery and I learn how to make some of these treats and kind of learn what everyday life is like for them. And I'm trying to not blow the place up or work in the oven. Wish me luck. With Trish here right now, and she's gonna teach me how to make a dog treat, basically from scratch, with just using this like mixture flour thing. I'm like Gordon Ramsay, so I'll be teaching you how to do it.
Perfect. All natural ingredients and they're human quality ingredients.
Alright, so now that we got them all made, we pop them in the oven?
Yes.
How long and how hot do we bake it for?
It's at 350 and we do it 8 minutes, turn them, and then do it 8 minutes so they cook even.
Perfect.
Hot oven.
Smells delicious. These are my peanut butter poppies. I don't know the name of the damn snack yet.
Pom-poms.
Pom-poms. They look delicious, right? This job is easy. What do I do now?
I'm gonna ring her up.
Oh, really? Okay, cool.
What are we doing now?
Yep.
The lickety split, which is the ice cream for dogs.
No way. We're making ice cream for dogs?
Yes.
What's up, Stanley? Staple Stanley. He's ready for it. I know, I just whipped up a batch of ice cream for us because that's how I roll, Stanley. That's why you and I are best friends.
Looks like taffy.
Yeah. And look at this. Can you tell that this is the dog's favorite treat or what? Am I supposed to stop it? I'm gonna get fired.
And you forgot about your pom-pom treats. I got them out for you, don't
Oh,
worry.
sorry. Oh my god, I'm juggling so much stuff right now.
Multitasking.
Stanley's stealing my food. I'm trying to make the lickety thing, and then the pom-poms are big. Oh,
Quality control is on.
I'm sweating. This is too much. Probably not good. Oh my god, I broke the bag.
Oh my god, I broke the bag!
I broke the bag. Oh my god. Oh my god, no, I got another one. Stan, quit guilting me, man. Help.
Another bag for you. He had a blowout. Oh my gosh, do you want to wash your hands?
I gave up. So this is what the lickety split is supposed to look like.
That's a blueberry.
Blueberry. What's this one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Peanut.
Peanut. Bret.
That one's mint. The
And
minty bread.
it's awesome. And they had to put it at a different price zone because mine was so awesome. We've made it a little more discounted because I want people to save money. And I decided that on my own, not because they look bad at all. And we're gonna see which one my guy Stanley would rather have. Stanley, would you like this delicious one, Stanley? Don't look at me like that. Or this one. Which one do you want, Stanley? Yeah, you want mine? Which one do you want, Stanley?
Ask Tommy.
Stanley doesn't want any of my food. Tommy, which one do you want? This one or this one? Boom! Oh! They all want mine! Yeah! Well, dude, here, you can have it. I'm sorry. Don't yell at me. Tommy's loving it.
Give one to Trinity.
All right, Trinity, here you go. You could have a delicious one too. Okay, I joked around the entire time that I was employee of the month. That was way harder than I ever thought it was. How do you guys do that?
A lot of work.
Oh my God, so there's so much multitasking, which I didn't even realize. We made peanut butter pom-poms while making lickety split, which is dog ice cream, while the dogs were all over me like kids. Then the oven was going off, then the dogs need to go outside. I did all of that while taking care of customers while the phone rings.
Yeah, absolutely.
All of that happened in today's video. It was crazy. Nothing but respect for you guys at Three Dogs Bakery. I really appreciate it. It's in Plano, guys. They work their butts off. It was a really difficult job. I'm sweating. The food looks delicious. I tried it. My back is injured, but the place is adorable and cute. I really want to thank you guys.
Thank you for coming. Thanks for coming.
Now I need a nap and some more of those dog cookies.
Absolutely.